Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm in the garage and I'm working on my 2014 Ford Escape. I have a backup camera that is acting up. Things are not showing up like they're supposed to. Either the image is upside down, it's scrambled, or it's not working at all. So what I want to do today is show you a quick and easy way to swap out that reverse camera for a new one where everything is going to show up the way it should. The beautiful thing about this method is you will not have to run any kind of cords through your vehicle. You won't have to pull trim pieces in the back or anything like that. We're just going to go straight in from the outside. So let's get to it.
You only need a few simple tools. What I used was a trim piece tool, which is that orange tool, a small screwdriver, and a Phillips head screw. So I took the screwdriver, wedged it in the left side of the little piece that holds the camera in. Then I got the screwdriver in, took a second screwdriver and pulled gently but hard and snap. There it goes. Now you are going to end up breaking a clip, but I have a solution for you in a second. So after that, I took and disconnected the original camera from the harness there. And then I unboxed the new camera and here it is. It's beautiful. So you can take a screenshot of this if you'd like. I also have a link to this product in the description below, so check it out. This is just like the original factory camera, and it also comes with a little protector for your lens. This camera works absolutely perfectly and will save you tons of money if you can do this yourself. Now back to the car. So take the new camera, put it in just like the old one came out, and make sure you push really hard to get that nice little click there and it's nice and secured. Then all you have to do is remove the lens cap there and then secure your little mounting plate again. I drilled a small pilot hole on the left-hand side where I broke the clips off. And when you install this, use the little arms that are on that mounting clip and slide it in from the left. Then I took a little screw that I painted the tip of it so it wouldn't stand out. And I used my screwdriver and tightened it up. There you go, all buttoned up and it works perfectly. Check this out. Now when I put the car in reverse, I have a nice clear picture, including guidelines whenever I turn the steering wheel. Doing this process this way saved me a ton of money and time.
So I've been dealing with that camera problem in this car for a few years now, and now it's finally fixed. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out some of my other DIY projects I have on my DIY playlist. I'll see you next time.